Some people meditate, some people journal, and somewhere out there, someone accidentally discovered inner peace by wiggling their toes while waiting for coffee. True story? Probably. What you're seeing right now looks simple, but your body treats it like a small reset button. Every wiggle activates muscles, sends signals through nerves, and encourages blood to move where it's been politely waiting all day. Your feet are packed with sensors, so when they move, your brain pays attention. Here's the wild part. Your nervous system doesn't care if the movement is dramatic. It just wants rhythm. Slow, intentional motion tells your body, we're safe, no rush. That's why your breathing slows when you watch relaxed movement, even if you didn't plan on relaxing today. And let's talk respect for a second. Your feet handle thousands of steps, bad shoes, hard floors, and that one piece of furniture that somehow moves at night. Yet, they get ignored until something goes wrong. This toe wiggle? This is preventative maintenance. Like stretching your car before a road trip, except less confusing and no instruction manual. Wiggling your toes keeps joints mobile, improves balance, and reduces stiffness that can creep up your legs. It's small, but it stacks up. And the best part? Anyone can do it. Standing, sitting, waiting in line, pretending to listen during a meeting. You've got options. So if this feels calming, funny, or oddly satisfying, that's your body recognizing good information. Take a note from the toes. Move often, move gently, and don't underestimate the power of the little things quietly working in your favor. Thanks for watching. Remember, strong feet create a stronger you. Stay curious, stay grounded, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that notification bell so you never miss future content. I'll see you in the next step.